Last month our daughter Zoriana found a 12-piece puzzle that had belonged to her brother Eddie. She was fascinated and stuck with it until she got it. The puzzle is labeled 3 years and up. We were impressed enough that I made a video of it. We had another puzzle, 30 pieces, and I figured it would be a few months before she figured that one out. Nope, she is a very determined little girl, as we already knew from the wrestling matches we endure trying to get her dressed, on the potty, and fed. She had that 30-piece puzzle figured out by last week. Oksana went to the toy store and got a few more. Every day she asks for them in sequence. We have to make rules, the chief of which is that she gets only one puzzle at a time. Otherwise, the pieces go everywhere. You see her here doing a 24-piece princess puzzle. She has done it a dozen times before and is pretty confident with it. What can we learn by watching her? She seems to be doing it by algorithm rather than by memory. When she picks a piece up, in most cases, it does not appear that she remembers where it goes. She compares the shape of the piece in her hand with the edges of the puzzle as it stands, and tries to figure out where the new one fits. She does not seem to do quite as well with secondary clues, such as the color, the continuity of the drawing, or the fact that the straight sides are edges of the puzzle. She still attempts to place border pieces in the interior, but she doesn't do it as often. She is still developing her fine motor skills. We have a 12-piece puzzle that is labeled 3+ and another one with 4+. You would think that the difficulty would be about the same, but the fact is that she has more trouble with the smaller pieces of the 4+ puzzle. It appears to be difficulty both in manipulating the pieces themselves and in discerning how the pieces fit together. Her most significant trait, which you see immediately in this video, is persistence. Once she starts the puzzle, she stays with it until it is done. With some exceptions. She is fascinated by the camera, and I have to be kind of sneaky to disguise the fact that I'm filming her. Otherwise, she will give up the puzzle to come on over and figure out what Dad is up to. The next step will be this 40-piece puzzle with somewhat smaller pieces. Oksana says she has done it already, although I think she had a little help. Very good, Zoriana. Very good. Now let's look at the puzzle. That's a wrap for Zoriana as of today.